Assalamualaikum. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. So in this video, we're gonna make a holder or a vase, whatever you want to say. So let's make gesso first. Take 1 spoon of white putty and sieve it properly so that lumps will be not there. And add 1 spoon of water into it and add 1 spoon of fevicol into it and mix it properly so that no lumps would be there. And now I'm taking a blue color and as well white color so that I can get a sky blue color. You can use any choice of color you want. Just mix it well and apply it on your cardboard. I took a round cardboard here for an holder. You can use any type of cardboard or you can use gesso in your paintings as well. Here my mixture was watery, so I added a little bit of white putty more and mixed it. Here in space of white putty you can also add POP or plaster of Paris. Apply a thin coat on a cardboard first and let it dry for a few minutes. Now I took a paper and I soaked it in a water for 2 hours. So we're gonna take it and grind it into a thin paste. Now take the paste and strain it in a cloth so that water will be drained off. Drain it properly and now take half cup of water and add a glue into it. Now take a paper which we have separated and tear it into a small pieces and add into that fevicol water and soak it for few minutes. Now apply a second coat on it and let it dry for a few minutes. Now let's make a base for our holder. Take holder and put it on a cardboard and mark it and cut the base. Now I am using a plaster here to paste the base. So cut the plaster and paste the base from the inside so that plaster would not be appeared out. Now our holder with a base is ready. I took a flowers design over here. You can use any type of design you want. I took a paper mixture and shape it into a petals and paste it with a glue. Normally fevicol. For this you have to be little patient, not patient, keep patience. Here all our flowers are ready. Now paint it as your wish. You want to use any color you can use. I'm taking white color here first. Now I'll highlight my flowers with a red color and a blue color. You can use any color of your choice. unfortunately I have two holes on my cardboard here. So I decided to keep it like that, and design it somehow like a door. Guys, it's a unique design you won't get anywhere. So just chill. Here, after my final touch up, our holder is ready. Here we go. Now I have another holder which I made previously. You can also try it as well. You can make it of your choice, anything, any design. More than holder, it looks nice as a vase. So I hope you like my video. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe. See you soon.